Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make white sauce at home. Start by melting 2 tablespoons butter in a saucepan over medium heat and add 2 tablespoons flour, whisking constantly until bubbling. Slowly pour 1 cup warm milk while whisking to create a smooth texture. Simmer gently until thickened, then season to taste with salt, white pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg for depth. Warm and steady is the key to a silky white sauce, so heat your milk slightly before adding it to the roux. Whisk in a slow, steady stream and keep the pan over medium-low heat to control thickening. Once the sauce coats the back of a spoon, reduce the heat and let it cook for a minute to remove any raw flour taste, then finish with a final whisk and seasoning. White sauce is a versatile base, so experiment with thickness and flavor. For a richer result, use whole milk or add cream, and for cheese, sauce stir in grated cheddar or Gruyere off the heat. To thin the sauce, whisk in a little stock or extra milk until you reach the desired pourable consistency, and to flavor it further add herbs, mustard, or a splash of wine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.